if you don't choose proper material for making the object? Definitely, you don't want to be in such a situation. In order to make objects for specific need, we must understand the properties of materials. We will discuss these properties in this video. Appearance. It gives idea about the visual look of the material. If a material appears shiny, then we say that it have a property called luster. Usually, metals have luster. If you don't see luster on metal, try to rub the metal with sandpaper. You will see the metallic luster. Other materials did not have luster. If you touch some objects, they appear either smooth or rough. The roughness is due to bumps on the surface. Similarly, some objects are hard while others are soft. With the term hardness, we mean that the material does not allow to change its shape. It does not allow anything to go into it or scratch over it. It does not break easily. If a material changes its shape, allows scratching over it, or break easily, then such material is soft material. State. Basically, materials exist in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Those which have fixed shape and volume are solids. Those which have fixed volume but does not have fixed shape are liquids. And those which neither have fixed shape nor fixed volume are gases. Solubility. When we mix some materials such as sugar, salt, lemon juice, vinegar, etc. in water, then they completely disappears in it. That is, they get completely dissolved in water. We say that material is soluble in water. Other materials such as sand, chalk powder, coconut oil, kerosene, etc. does not disappear in water, and thus these are insoluble in water. Ability to float. Some materials such as wood, plastic, rubber, etc. have ability to stay on the surface of water. We say that these materials can float on water. There are other materials such as metals, sand, stone, etc. which when dropped in water goes at the bottom. That means these materials does not float on water. Transparency. Some materials such as glass, water, etc. allows us to look through them completely. Such materials are called transparent materials. Some materials such as wood, mud, sand does not allow us to look through them. These are called opaque materials. There are some materials, for example, trace paper, oily paper, etc., which allows us to look through them only partially. Such materials are called translucent materials. Magnetic properties. Some materials get attracted towards magnet. These are magnetic materials. For example, iron, nickel, and cobalt. Others which does not get attracted towards magnet are non-magnetic material. For example, plastic, wood, paper, glass, etc. Conduction of heat. Some materials allow heat to flow through them. For example, all metals are good conductors of heat. Other materials which does not allow heat to pass through them are bad conductors, that is, insulators of heat. For example, wood, plastic, cotton, glass, etc. Electricity. Some materials allow electricity to pass through them. These are called conductors. For example, all metals, salt solution, etc. Other materials which does not allow electricity to pass through them are insulators. For example, wood, plastic, glass, cotton, oil, distilled water, etc. We can use any property to classify the material. For example, some materials and we need to classify them according to electrical conduction. Can we do that? Yes. The answer is like this. I hope you have understood this topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.